So my daughter decided that she wanted to go more into the aqua bluish side of the spectrum. She wants to use some of those colors for her painting. She doesn't really like the pinkish or the purplish colors, so we're not going to be doing that. And we're going to be sticking to these greens and blues. In reality, all of these will work well with each other. Why? Because they are close to each other in the color wheel. They all have some sort of bluish tint to them, even though some are lighter than others and some are darker. But this is actually a green. This one has more of a yellowish tone to it, but it is still pretty close to the blue side of the color wheel. Therefore, it shouldn't make muddy colors. So the easiest way to choose the colors for your painting would be to start with one color that you love, the one that you really want to have in your painting. So my daughter chose this color, and based on this choice, we will then choose other colors that go well with this initial choice. We decided to give it a little bit of a kick by adding a brighter green. We did not want to do all of it in blue shades because as the blue shades mix, it was not going to give a lot of a contrast, or it was just going to look very similar when the blues mixed together. So we decided to go with a bright green. So this is basically yellow with blue, and this color has blue in it, so these would work well together. She also decided to go with an aqua green. So these all fit into the greenish bluish category, so these work well together. And then we also decided to add some white so that it could brighten up the painting. So that is the easiest way to choose your colors for your painting. Start with one color that you love. Based on that color that you chose, then start choosing one or two more colors to complement that initial color that you chose. If you're not sure if a color goes well with another, do this. Mix them up, see what color you get, see if you get any muddiness, see if the vibrancy of the color goes away. If it does, then that means you need to choose a different combination.